my name is Bridget Rose, and this is my concept map for cell bio. Right? Starting at plasma membrane. The plasma membrane contains phospholipids. The phospholipids can be depicted in a sandwich model or the fluid mosaic model. This kind of depicts like the entire plasma membrane. Phospholipids also have a hydrophilic head and a hydrophobic tail, which together the components make an amphipathic molecule. Types of amphipathic molecules are sterols, glycolipids, and also detergents, which detergents, when they disrupt the bilayer of the membrane, they take out the integrate membrane proteins and they leave the peripheral membrane proteins. Phospholipids also have selective permeability, which are used for osmosis. The plasma membrane also contains membrane proteins, which the types are transporter, anchor, receptors, and enzymes. Membrane proteins also can be transported by vesicles. Membrane protein contains phospholipid bilayer. The bilayer has membrane-associated proteins, which those types are lipid-linked, transmembrane, monolayer-associated, and protein-attached. The phospholipid bilayer also has a membrane channel, which the membrane channel can use either passive or active transport. The active transport moves against the electrochemical gradient, and the passive transport uses channel-mediated transport, which means that when the channel is using it, it can regulate how much of the membrane actually gets some of the chemicals. Phospholipid bilayer has an ion channel, which the ion channels can be gated, which means it stops some of the ions from coming through. That ion channel also can be determined by the concentration gradient, and the concentration gradient leaves the molecules unchanged when using simple diffusion. The plasma membrane also has glycoproteins on the outer surface of the membrane. It also has proteoglycan proteins kind of integrated into the actual membrane. Well, ta-da!